nightlife, ready to spit. Tag what? Evidence. Wait to take across the planet. We'll step it up this year, weatherman. The time's right. Sleep all day to wake up for nightlife. Ready to spit.
What is up, everyone? Back in the garage. Actually got the 300ZX T-tops. I'm actually cleaning those before I actually do anything with the engine. Going to detail what I can because I don't have an engine stand. I do not have a crane or whatever to pull the engine out. Sorry, a little tired. So what I'm gonna do just for right now is just clean the 300CX Nissan 300ZX leather bags. I'm gonna go through the other one. I did this one last night. There was spray paint on the glass, so I took it off, cleaned it. The other one's pretty bad. I gotta get that all off, wipe that down, clean the bags, and then I went to the 99-cent store and got some of this awesome. LA is totally awesome. It's like a all-purpose cleaner. My buddy uses it to clean engine bays, and it comes out really good. So it kind of give me an idea what I need to do to spray, clean it, wipe it down. I'm just going to kind of get all the dust, try to vacuum out all the small debris that's in there so I don't really have to pop everything off and not try to break clips. So I'm going to do my best to just wipe that down, clean it. Then if I got time, I would like to take the bumper off, headlights and everything as well. And then I might just buy some wax and then just wax the car and see how it comes out. But for that, I actually found something in the backyard that I've been forgot about. So let's go check that out real quick. So what I found was my Yakima bike rack for my car. So still there. I know it has a lot of spiders and who knows what the hell. I just gotta clean it, and then hopefully it's not too bad. But I'll clean that out. Might use it, might not, or I'll put that on the other Civic when I eventually purchase it from Randy. So I'll do that, and then if you guys remember, I do love riding bikes, and that's why I go by the name as JDM Gear, because I love JDM cars and I like bikes. I like fixed geared fixies, and like I said, I have my Haro mountain bike that I'm still kind of redoing because I purchased that back in 2004. I do still have my fixie. I got to kind of clean that up and been kind of let it sitting out in the sun, so it's real bad. And that bike actually glows in the dark. Everything that's white on it, except for the seat, of course. But the frame, wheels, they all glow in the dark at night. This one I was actually going to save up. Is that a spider in there? Oh, no. I'm going to put electric wheel in the front so I can have this like an e-bike, so I can kind of do longer rides with it. And with the bike rack, I was using that for the Civic, so then I can eventually take the bikes and head out to San Diego or Monterey Bay and go bike riding. So I do like to ride. Yes, I'm a big guy, but when I was skinnier, I like to ride bikes. And that's why I kind of never want to change the engine, because it was so good on gas, and just kind of left it the same and just left it how it is until I was able to get another car. And when I purchased the Lexus LS 430, that was going to do the whole VIP scene and then build us back into the time attack car that I was trying to do back in 2010. So that's the plan. I got my Mugen floor mats. I still need to shampoo, clean it. I do have that rug doctor. I'm going to be trying it out on there. So, but for now, let me wipe these down and see how they come out. So let's go. Okay, I got an empty Windex bottle. Put the solution here.
Score. Now what? I don't know. Just
Gonna put the spray on here and just wipe it off. See how good it works. So let's see how good it works. I just washed all these microfiber towels and we'll see how good it works.
the yellow paint where the house used to be before we added on. Remember the yellow and then
Alright, so I got one bag down. I will be doing Armor All on it to kind of make it look much better because I know I'm pretty sure this will might dry it out. I did put some on the transmission down in there, so let's see how good this will get all that grease out. But other than that, bag came out pretty good, looks good. Just gonna overhaul it, and then I'm gonna start on the next one and get it going. So let me swap these out. I don't mind the noise. My sister is working, so. But this is the other bag. It's dirty, and this is the actually other T-top. So that's the razor. So I gotta take that off, which is spray paint, and I'm going to be using a razor just to kind of like set off. But it's like a chalk base, so it's not really paint. So it's not going to damage the glass or anything, and I'm just going to basically just clean it up really good and get it back to 100% as possible. So let me start with cleaning the bag first, and then work my way onto the T-top. So set this back up here. Alright, I got the bag clean, same thing, just need to armor all it. I think it'll brighten it up, make it look better. I might eventually take this to a dry cleaner, have them dry clean it, and so it looks better. But other than that, I got got one down, or two done. Now I just gotta clean the T-top, so let's get that one done. Alright, I got the bag clean, same thing. Just need to armor all it. I think it'll brighten it up, make it look better. I might eventually take this to a dry cleaner, have them dry clean it, and so it looks better. But other than that, I got one down, or two done. Now I just gotta clean the T-top, so let's get that one done. So I just got glass cleaners from the dollar store. Use a whole bunch of them and see if it wipes that off. So, but it is like a chalk base, so as you can see, it just comes right off. But like I said, it's been sitting for a while, so some of the chalk or whatever spray they used, I'll have to scrape it off. So just for now, I'm just gonna kind of get the base of it. Enough surface, and then the razor, just like that. It's like you're taking off a sticker of a car. So it is like a powder substance. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. So, save battery on my phone when I'm recording. I'm just gonna scrape the rest off, wipe it down, and show you the before and after. So, here we go. Alright, so basically I just used that awesome spray I got from the dollar store, put it on the glass, literally just wiped it right off, so stuff's good. So as you can tell, it's nice and clean now. I got the cover from the inside because this is originally from a junkyard off a twin turbo JDM 300ZX. So there was water damage. Luckily, whoever smashed the back window, I'm just happy they didn't damage the T-tops and the bags. And so the cap here is all wet, or not wet, but dirty from dirt, rain, from it sitting out there. So basically, this is the part that goes on the inside. So when you're driving, you place this on, and you're able to have shade so the sun's not right on top of you while you're driving with the T-tops. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the stuff on this as well, clean it, and then I'll show you guys just how good it worked. So let me spray some. Clean the white. It was from a white one, so that's really nice. The motor, basically we got like all the turbo stuff. We had the Jim Wolf ECU out of it. There's a lot of parts that we got. The front bumper, we had a lot of things. So we'll be posting that on an Instagram page for all the parts that we collect, refurbish, and resell them again. So that'll be the money that funds us, or funds me also, to fix my car, and for Randy to use that money towards whatever he wants to use it for. If he's gonna finish a car or buy some other tools, or basically it's just so we can do things that are able to fund us. So that's our own little side hustle, I guess you can say, to get things going. I'm just gonna wipe it off, and it works really good. So very happy. Randy told me about this stuff. Where's the bottle at? Oh, it's in the house. But it's called Totally Awesome from the dollar store. It just comes right off. Then I'll re-hit this again with some Arbor All, so give it a nice shine. The back as well is dirty. You can see like some type of mold. Probably should be wearing gloves, but I'm just gonna clean it. So I'll spray some more on this side now. it. And it just absorbs it. And wow, it comes right off. Good stuff. So shout out to the homie Randy for letting me know about this stuff that he uses on his customers' cars and his car. Because boy, that is clean. So what's up? Alright, so let me pop this back on here. Which basically, this will slide into the cracks here. Line up, you just turn these knobs. And basically, here's your cover now. So, sun doesn't hit through it. So, I do got to get some Plasti Dip. I'm going to take this off here because all the black just came off the plastic part. So now it's just the chrome piece showing. So I'm going to take this all off here and then hit it with some Plasti Dip so it'll put back the rubber onto here and give it that clean black outline. So I'm going to grab the other one, clean the inside of it as well, and just do the same thing. So here you go. Alright, same thing, wipe it down. This actually was already cleaned. I just kind of went over it with just one of the glass white wipes. So I got that side nice and clean. Same thing, connected here, protect you from the sun. Just gotta wash this dust off and I'll put these back in the bag and until I get some Plasti Dip to paint it. So that's the game plan with this. So all done with the key tops. Just gonna kind of wipe down a little bit of the Civic. So I'll just get the bag, put this in the bag. I know I still have to clean the Mugen floor mats. They're all dirty from Force Feet. Really worn, so I just gotta use the Rug Doctor. I'm gonna go through this, vacuum it, and then try to see how the Rug Doctor works. And eventually I'll put it back in. So, but if you guys didn't know, this was, let me show you guys. This is actually the original wheel that belongs there. Was working 2 jobs, one in Sacramento, then I would drive to Richmond, California to do t-shirts and stuff and try to get some deals for companies that were hitting me for company t-shirts, and I would provide them with their t-shirt, long sleeve sweaters, hoodies, whatever they would want. And I didn't sleep, so driving back from San Francisco, I end up falling asleep at the wheel, hitting the side of the wall of the freeway in Stockton, California, and the only thing that got damaged was the wheel, and that's it, and threw my alignment off, of course. But other than that, no fender damage, no nothing. So, I'm blessed. The only thing maybe I had was right here, hit so hard when I landed back down, these both popped up, but I did, these both popped up, and I just tapped those back down with a hammer. So I know I'm gonna have to weld it, sand it here, and then I'm gonna paint the engine bay, of course, but I gotta wait till I pull that engine out. So what I'm gonna do with this engine, actually, I'll just let you guys know, I'm gonna probably just purchase an eBay turbo kit, slap a turbo on here, put this one in the other car, and then use that just for daily driving. I'm not gonna boost crazy, it's just for fun, just so I can get the blow-off valve sound for driving around for just fun. And then this car will be my time attack car. So, and if you're new to the channel, I'll show you guys a little bit of the interior then, which I need to still clean. So I'm holding the tripod. So got I'm not going to use the energy steering wheel because this part here, they are weak. And if I do not have power steering in my car, these I'm pretty sure are going to come out. So I have to get another steering wheel for track racing. I have my gauges here. I have volts, air fuel ratio, and oil. And I had those in my recording, so I didn't want to, like I said, I was using it for daily drivers, so it was kind of just so I could have an idea. This dude. So I can just monitor my, how good my car's running. Running rich, or how's the oil, how's my voltage. And I do have the NRG seats that I put in here. I got the rails, so it does sit really low to the floor. Yeah, as you can tell, the floor is hella dirty. I purchased a car with this original carpet. I do have the seatbelt harness. I need to take that back out because if you can look, I need to take these out, wire brush clean them, and then repaint those. I got the JDM back seat, of course. One of my favorite things about the car. And I still need the center console, so I'll get the center console that goes all the way to the back, because I do want to have full interior. See if I can put myself in some kind of certain class with interior / whatever. But carbon fiber hood going on to the other car, keeping the carbon fiber trunk. Full suspension. I'm gonna kind of see how low I can get to show you guys. Hopefully, yes. It's very dirty, but full control arms and all. Got the bar in the top. Have the one in the trunk as well. I'll show you guys that one. The trunk's open. So have that one in. There we go. The car is very, very stiff when hitting corners. So there is no body roll. So the harnesses do help me stay in. Car does have a stereo. It's only the rear speakers that work, so I'll put in like basic stock size speakers into the car, so I can play some music or whatever. Car I want to paint. I would like to paint the car the Mugen color from, I believe it's like 2007 four-door Civic that came out. S-size. I'd like to get the paint coat and paint it that color and get that going. So it's pretty much going to be it. I got to take the bumper off, and already repainted the lip, so I got to put the lip back on. And that'll pretty much be it for the video. So thanks for watching. I'm sweating, it's hot in the garage, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.